In order to understand the voltage divider rule, let us consider a simple circuit. So here in this circuit, we have a voltage 10 volts, two resistors R1 and R2, 15 ohm and 10 ohm. Let the current flowing in the circuit be I. So therefore, the voltage across R1, let this be V1. The voltage across R2 is V2. So now, how do we find V1 and V2 using voltage divider rule? Of course, we can find the value of I, and we can multiply I into R1 will give me V1, I into R2 will give V2. So we know that V equals I into R, where I is the current flowing in the circuit. So the same current flows through R1 and R2 because both the resistors are in series. So we can actually find V1 by multiplying the current I into R1. Similarly, V2 equals I into R2. But how do we find the voltage V1 and V2 using the voltage divider rule? So how do we find V1 and V2 using voltage divider rule? V1 equals total voltage into the resistance R1 divided by R1 plus R2, the sum of resistors. Similarly, what is V2? The total voltage into the resistance R2 divided by the sum of resistors. So we shall find the voltage using voltage divider rule and also calculate by multiplying the total current into the respective resistors. So what is V1? V1 equals 10 into R1, 15, divided by R1 plus R2, which is 15 plus 10, 25. 5 5s are 5 2s are, 5 1s are 5 3s are, 2 into 3 is 6 volts. Similarly, what is V2? It is total voltage into resistance R2 divided by 15 plus 10, which is 25. So 5 5s are 5 2s are, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 2 into 2 equals 4 volts. So V1 equals 6, V2 is equal to 4. So very obvious, greater the resistance, greater will be the voltage drop. Now to find the total current I, we have to find the equivalent resistance. Since R1 and R2 are in series, the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2, which is 25. Now what is the total current? I equals total voltage divided by R equivalent, which is 10 by 25, which is 2 by 5 amperes. So how do we find V1? By using this formula, we'll find the value of V1 and V2 using this formula. The total current 2 by 5 into R1, which is 15. So 5 1s are 5 3s are, 2 into 3 6. So we've got the same voltage. Similarly, what is V2? V2 is current I into the resistance R2. So 5 1s are 5 2s are, 2 into 2 4 volts. So we have verified that the values of V1 and V2 calculated using the voltage divider rule is the same as obtained when we calculate V1 and V2 using the total current into the respective resistors. So remember, the voltage divider rule is used to calculate the voltage across each resistor. So how do we apply the voltage divider rule? To find the voltage across a particular resistor, we need to consider the total voltage into the resistance under consideration R1 divided by the sum of resistors. So we have done it for V1 and the same thing gets applied to V2. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching. Ramayana workbook is based on Valmiki Ramayana. This workbook is suitable for children above the age of 12. There are exercises, fill in the blanks, quizzes, crosswords, puzzles, etc. from the Ramayana itself. There has been an overwhelming response for the books with over 1,200 copies sold in just a month. A book which can be given as a birthday gift or as return gifts or as competition prizes, etc. For orders and discounts, WhatsApp 9739003467.